Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. One of the wonderful things that Italy is known for, of course, is our main courses. It's incredible, but what we also have is what we call contorni, side dishes. As you saw in my previous video, we made bruschetta. Tonight we're going to be making our potatoes garlic flavor with parsley, and you're gonna see it's amazing. It's garlic potatoes. That's what we call them, garlic potatoes. Okay, so what we have is we have some sweet potatoes and we have some small red potatoes here. We've cut them up and we're gonna put them in this bowl here with olive oil. As you can see here, beautiful olive oil, and we are going to put a little bit extra olive oil in here. Okay, and everything is to the eye in Italian cooking. Ad occhio, ad occhio. We're going to add some salt, a good portion of salt, a good pinch of salt. Boom, right in there. Some black pepper. You'll notice that there are a lot of just basic staples in the Italian diet that go with everything, and we're going to put some oregano also. Beautiful oregano leaves in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, the painting is being made. Oh, look how beautiful. Excellent. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix them around nice with our tongs in the olive oil. Just a light smattering of the olive oil. Just gentle. And what we're going to do is from here is we're going to put them right onto the pan. Very simple. Again, don't be afraid to cook. There's nothing to be afraid of. No boogeymans in the kitchen. You could look under your bed at nighttime for the boogeyman, or maybe in the closet, but he never comes to the kitchen because he's afraid to cook, the boogeyman. So here we go. Look how beautiful these look, right? And we're going to put these in the oven right now for 25 minutes first. After 25 minutes at 425 degrees, we're going to turn them, and then they'll be ready, and we will make the sauce. Now, what's really important for the garlic flavors, you see I took a full head of garlic and I cut the top off. So what we do for the garlic flavor is we take a piece of aluminum foil, and we put the garlic right in there, okay? And we close it up and we put it on a corner because it's gonna cook with the potatoes, okay? So here we go into the sauna, into the steam room with the jacuzzi, the oven for 25 minutes. We're gonna set our timer here for 25 minutes. And we'll come back to you after 25 minutes. We're going to take these beautiful potatoes out. Oh boy. Wow, look at that. Oh, nice. You see that little ball there? That's our garlic. Look how beautiful that is. You could just smell this roasted garlic. It is incredible. Incredible. This roasted garlic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mash it up. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of butter and parsley. And then we're going to spread it right over these potatoes. And we're going to let it sit for just a second with a touch of Parmesan cheese. And we're going to eat it all up. And we are going to have such a good time with these garlic potatoes. Patate ad aglio. Delicioso! Okay, so we've squeezed the garlic out of the skin, and here it is right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a fork, we're going to squash it up. We're going to just crush it up into a fine, almost like a paste. You see here? Almost like a paste. Just crush it up. We want to make it like a cream almost. And what we're going to do with this is we are going to add it to the most decadent melted butter. And has like, let's scoop it up here. I'm gonna add it to our melted butter, about a tablespoon of melted butter, okay? And then we're gonna add our beautiful chopped parsley here to it. And we're gonna mix it all up. We'll use that same fork just to make a beautiful mix of this butter and parsley. You can see here as just keep mashing that garlic up nice, like a paste. And depending on the amount of potatoes that you have, you can always add a drizzle of olive oil. Just a little bit, maybe a tablespoon. Just so that you can brush it over or cream it over the potatoes that we're roasting in the oven. Really very simple. Again, don't be afraid to cook, guys. This is something that you should bring your whole family in to, especially the children, like my mother brought me in and taught me all of this. Now we're gonna let this warm up a little bit. I'm gonna get a special tossing plate ready for it. Okay, so now we're gonna take the potatoes out of the pan and nicely, beautifully roasted. I'm gonna put them into this mixing dish here that we have prepared here. And again, very basic, very rustic, very old world Italian. No fancy schmancy, highfalutin New York Fifth Avenue restaurants. We don't cook that way. We cook basic, simple. We're not here to make a show. We're here to feed everyone and let them enjoy Mama's cooking, especially on a budget, guys, on a budget. What is this craziness? You don't need to be spending hundreds of dollars to be having great food. Look at that. There it is. There's that garlic and parsley. Just a beautiful, beautiful garlic and parsley flavor. And we're gonna put it right here. And now we are going to toss it around. Nice, just really, really simple. Just toss it around, no fancy schmancy, no nothing like that. Gotta have a little Parmigiano Reggiano. This is just super duper important. Little Parmigiano Reggiano, nothing crazy. Touch of salt, touch of black pepper. Staples in the Italian tradition here. Me, gotta have my crushed red pepper. Gotta have it. Got to have my spicy spice. And here we go. We're gonna put it right back out on that same plate, that same pan that it came out of, so that you can really see it, you know. I mean, we're not plating it right now because I want you to see how delicious this looks. Sharon is looking at it right now and her mouth is watering. Look at this sweet potato. Now here's the regular potato. Look how beautiful it is. Look how roasted. Look how delicious. Garlic flavor and parsley and Parmesan cheese. Here we go. Salute a tutti quanti. Mama, I love you. And I thank you for teaching me how to make these beautiful garlic potatoes, roasted garlic potatoes. Mamma, ti voglio bene da morire. Ciao a tutti. See you next time. Ciao.